Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting minivan revivals we've seen in recent years, the all-new 2026 Toyota Estima. Once a staple in family transport across Asia and beyond, the Estima is making a futuristic comeback, and Toyota's not holding back. The front end of the 2026 Toyota Estima is unlike anything we've seen in the minivan segment. Gone are the soft curves of past models, replaced with aggressive angular lines, sharp LED lighting signatures, and a commanding grille structure. The headlights look like they were pulled straight from a concept sketch, slicing into the front fascia with dual-tier LED DRLs that give it a menacing, almost sci-fi look. The blacked-out A-pillars and seamless integration with the hood add a sense of motion, even while standing still. Swinging around back, the story gets even more futuristic. The taillight treatment is perhaps the most eye-catching. A full-width LED light bar wraps around the rear glass, seamlessly connecting both ends. A massive glass panel dominates the upper half of the tailgate, blending into the darkened rear pillars to create a near-monolithic look. There's no visible exhaust, which hints strongly at hybrid or all-electric propulsion. The bumper is minimalist, with integrated vertical reflectors and a clean aerodynamic finish. Step inside a new Estima, and you'll likely find an interior that's as forward-thinking as its exterior. While Toyota hasn't revealed the full cabin yet, expect a layout similar to what we've seen in the Alphard and Lexus LM. That means multi-screen infotainment, ambient LED lighting, and possibly even lounge-style rear seating with captain chairs and fold-out ottomans. Materials will be top-tier, including soft-touch suede, leather, and metallic trims. Expect smart storage solutions, wireless charging, and Toyota's latest voice-activated tech suite. This will be a high-end family hauler, not just a people mover, but a mobile luxury lounge. While Toyota hasn't confirmed final specs, rumors suggest the 2026 Estima will likely be available with both hybrid and possibly fully electric powertrains. Expect a 2.5-liter hybrid setup borrowed from the Alphard or Crown, paired with an electric motor for E4 all-wheel drive. That should deliver smooth, responsive acceleration while keeping fuel efficiency impressive, something around 40 to 45 mpg equivalent for the hybrid. If a full EV variant launches, we could see a dual-motor all-wheel drive system and over 300 miles of range. Pricing is expected to start in the $45,000 to $50,000 range for the base hybrid trim, with premium variants, especially the fully electric versions, pushing past $60,000. Toyota has hinted that the new Estima will hit select Asian markets, including Japan and possibly China, by late 2025, with a global release in early to mid-2026.